that southbound Georgia exit sign. Yeah, to most folks, it's just another town. Ain't a damn thing special about that highway sign with the state champions, a broke down store like Baco Bear, that old brick church with 3 feet of waterworks, that old gravel lot full of 4x4s, a half-burnt neon dot bar door. Yeah, this map dot ain't just a map dot to me. Yes, miles of memories. String, Mike's plywood stage, and I sang a song to the green-eyed one and got away in the fast lane past that highway sign with the state champions, a broke down store like Baco Bear, that old brick church with 3 feet of waterworks, that old gravel lot full of 4x4s, a half-burnt neon dot bar door. Yeah, this map dot ain't just a map dot to me. Yeah, it's miles of memories, the love and the lost, the gravestones and the cross. We still burn bonfires and pour out Bud Lights for all of y'all. Yeah. With the state champions, a broke down store like Baco Bear, that old brick church with 3 feet of waterworks, that old gravel lot full of 4x4s, a half-burnt neon dot bar door. Yeah, this map dot ain't just a map dot to me. Yes, miles of memories. Oh yeah, yes, miles of memories. Hell yeah. Sunset through a windshield, I can see it now, like a picture in a frame. Jeans and t-shirts, who we wore it like a name. I wish I could go back to those days when the town was the whole world and love was the girl next door. A soundtrack with a song in the dark. I miss those days when our dreams were there for chasing. The time was better wasted. We were summer young and living for Friday, and freedom was a highway. Freedom was a highway. Barbed wire on a fence post with a crosswind on a road no one was on. Yeah. 5 deep with our hands up, just singing along to a hip-hop song. I wish I could rewind and replay when the town was the whole world and love was the girl next door. Soundtrack with a song in the dark. I miss those days when our dreams were there for chasing. The time was better wasted. We were summer young and living for